Hi everyone, as discussed in my previous videos, if you want to make and sell cosmetics in India, you would need a manufacturing license or a loan license. So I spoke with one of the third-party provider who does loan licensing and third-party manufacturing. We are going to speak about the Avajas. They are resided in Hyderabad. Their manufacturing unit is in Hyderabad. Their minimum order quantity MOQ is 100. If the MOQ is more, the price would be less. If you want to check on the catalog, I'll provide their WhatsApp link in the description box. You can contact them. So they do private labeling and private labeling in the sense third party manufacturing and also loan licensing. So they have told me there is a difference between the two, which I'll explain you shortly. In the private labeling or third-party manufacturing, the manufactured by would be labeled as the Avajas and marketed by the company name. So, in the label, there is a difference. It is not made and manufactured by the same company. They will mention it as manufactured by the Avajas and marketed by the your company, whatever it is. So, the label, everything would be customized as per your wish. And the labeling can be a roll packaging or a individual labels. So based upon the labeling, the quality would differ. You can get your own labels printed and send it to them. They have standard plastic packaging which has white and amber color plastic bottles and jars. The only difference is the 30 ml serum bottles for which they use glass bottles. If you want to use a different packaging, you can get your own packaging and provide it to them in the same quantity that you will be manufacturing. They will use the same packaging and they will send the each sample to the lab. They will get it tested. If you use the same formulation that they are having, then there might not be an extra charge. But if you are doing a change in the formulation, they would submit the samples to the lab, which would cost around 15,000 per product. So if there is a change, you would incur an additional one-time expense for that product or the formulation. There is one more thing that I missed to tell you. They would send the product samples to the lab for testing and the certificate of analysis is provided by them, the Avajas. If you want the certificate of analysis to be provided by your company name, then there would be an additional charges that incur for the analysis, including the GST. Now comes the second part that they are going to do. It is the loan licensing. In loan licensing, it will be named as made and manufactured by your own company, whichever it is XYZ, and not by the Avajas. So, since they would be putting entirely your name, they will take either a one-time royalty fee or a monthly royalty fee. And the product sample will be submitted by them for the lab and for also the license. This is all about the Avajas. If you would like to see the manufacturing unit facility, I'll post a long form video or a reel if I visit the campus. If you would like me to do more such kind of videos where I speak to other third party manufacturing companies, do let me know in the comment section. Please do like and share. It would help me doing this more kind of videos. Thank you.